Okay, here's a quick video on how not to get ripped off next time your car is due for a safety inspection. First thing I would say is bring it in early. If you've got like a 2-year sticker or a 3-year or whatever it is, bring it in a few weeks early, like 6 weeks or maybe even 2 months. Then you won't get burned when they hit you with a big list of things. You'll have time to regroup, go to another garage, get a second opinion, do some of the work yourself, so give yourself some time, especially if you got an older car like my car. So I brought this in for safety, and it needed some brakes and stuff, but they said it needed rear struts and that my rear struts were leaking. But if you take a quick peek, anyway, it's hard to tell with all the undercoating, but I knew my rear struts weren't leaking. It's just so the other thing is know your vehicle. Like, just get under it, have a look around with a flashlight, look around, and if that's it, if things sound fishy, get a second opinion, or take it home, have a look yourself. You might have to pay some money to get it out of there, but better than paying a whole lot more. And then and I guess my last tip is learn to do some of it yourself. And then like changing snow tires and stuff, it's not too bad. Changing oil isn't bad. Lots of videos and stuff like that.